On July 15, 2022, officers responded to a 911 call about a domestic disturbance from a neighbor. They advised that a female was yelling and physically attacking a male.
Were you just walking with the girl?
Huh?
Were you walking with the girl down Page Street or nothing like that? Okay, we got a call. It's a guy possibly getting smacked around by a girl in a pink shirt. So we're just checking there. You're good?
I saw someone down there. But
you saw somebody down there?
a pink shirt.
What's all the scratches on your neck, man?
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have an ID on you, bro?
No, I don't.
You don't? What's your name, man?
I don't need to tell you.
Yeah. Look, bro. I mean, it doesn't need to be complicated, man. Okay.
I didn't break no laws.
I know, but I have a lawful reason to stop you.
No,
Okay.
for what?
Because we got dispatched. You matched the description of the guy that was getting beat up by a girl. Okay. You have injuries on your neck. All right.
It don't matter.
It does matter.
Okay.
You don't have an ID on you, man?
No, I don't know.
You don't? What's your name?
I don't feel like I don't need to tell you that.
Okay, you feel like that, but
I haven't broken no laws.
I understand. Listen
If
to
I
me.
haven't committed a crime, I don't need to provide you with that identification.
Okay, but listen to me. I'm telling you. Okay, just listen. I have a lawful reason to stop out and talk to you. Okay, so you have a lawful reason to identify yourself to me. If you don't want to identify yourself to me, I'll take you to jail for concealing your identity. It's that simple. It's literally that simple. Okay, you gotta understand that. I have a job to do. I have a job to do. Okay, you have scratches on your neck. Okay, which are signs of some kind of battery. All right, which are probably from your girlfriend, right?
If I don't want to press charges, we're fine, right?
It's probably from your girlfriend, right?
Don't matter.
Okay, so if it's from your girlfriend, that means it's a domestic violence. Okay, so which means I have to investigate it, and I'm authorized to take some kind of action on it. Okay, if you don't want to do anything about it, we can let the courts and all that know. Okay,
I don't want to do anything about it.
I understand that. I'm obligated by state law.
I feel like
I'm obligated by state law to do something about this. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. All right, I've laid it all out on the line for you, man.
I said I didn't commit a crime.
I get that. I get that. Okay, but I don't know that for a fact yet. All right. So, are you going to give me your name or not? Okay, I'm going to tell you. Last time. Okay. I have a lawful reason to stop you and identify you. Okay? If you don't want to identify yourself, we can just take you straight to jail for concealing your identity.
Why? If I committed no
It's that.
crimes? You guys are dicks, honestly. Nigga, like.
No, we're actually investigating.
I see what you guys are doing. Like, I know you guys doing your job, obviously.
Okay. So why are you keeping me from doing my job?
I'm not keeping you from doing your job. You could public street.
Correct.
And ask them for their ID whenever you want.
No. What I'm telling you
then what are you
is
doing?
I was dispatched to this area for a domestic disturbance between a chick with a pink shirt and blonde hair and a male in all black.
Yeah.
Okay? You fit the description. You got injuries on your neck, which means you got beat up by a chick. Okay? So I have a lawful reason. I have a lawful reason to stop and identify you. Okay? That's where I'm laying it all out here for you, bro. I'm trying not to be a dick. I'm trying not to be a douche.
So
okay?
What's now? Once I give you my name.
I can take your name down. Okay? I can see if we have you in our system so that we can go from there. Figure out if you're associated with anybody else that we can go talk to, get the other side of the story, and we can go from that point. Okay? What I'm telling you, I would prefer not to take you to jail because you're right. You haven't done anything wrong. Okay? But at the moment...
That we know.
At the moment, you are committing a crime by not giving me your name and your date of birth.
I just don't want to get in trouble, but I didn't do nothing.
Okay, but you not wanting to get in trouble is getting in trouble. Because you are committing a crime.
You want to follow me?
No, I don't want to. I don't want.
Was hitting me? I'll show you guys where she's at.
No.
Let's go.
No, I want to stay right here.
Why? You guys are talking to me, but you don't want to talk to the person that's committing a crime.
Okay.
That's where you guys are up.
But I am talking to the person that's committing the crime now.
I ain't committing no crime.
You are here concealing your identity from me.
I'll walk with you. Once we get there, I will tell you.
No, that's not how this works.
How do you want it to go?
I want you to give me your name,
bro.
And while he's talking to you, I'm going to go down there and talk with her.
Well, I'm down to. We could all talk with each other. Like I'm not trying to.
Okay, I get that.
I'll go in the car with you, bro. We'll go down there. I don't care.
Okay,
like
I get, but that's the thing. I don't know. I don't know.
We'll drive down the street.
What's the address?
I don't know. I'm not from here.
You're not from here.
No, I'm not. So we go in the car. Once we get down there, once we're in the car, I'll tell you my name. We go down there and we can talk to the person that's coming in the car.
Okay.
Room.
All right, let's go do that then.
I'm not getting in the back of you.
You have to get in the back of the car.
So what's going on?
I just had an argument. It's nothing serious, I'm sorry. It was more on my part. So I can give you my ID and everything.
Okay, where's your ID?
There you go. It just expired. That's me. That was my old address. I lived with my parents then. I just graduated high school about 3 years ago, so that's where I'm at now. I came to
New Mexico.
I just came to visit my mom. She lives in the salon right here.
Where?
By Subway, the salon. So I was just kind of helping. I'm leaving back to Albuquerque tomorrow, and I do have court cases.
So what's your relationship with this guy?
That's my boyfriend for about a year now.
Okay. And so what's going on between you two?
Just a verbal argument, but like I said, we're both at my mom's shop right now. It was nothing extravagant.
Okay, it's more than a verbal argument because we had people calling in saying that a female was hanging on the shirt of a male
Like that.
and there is screaming, so...
I mean, you can check me and you can go to the shop and
he's bleeding, you're bleeding.
I mean, you can talk to all of us though, but no, he didn't do anything like that to me. If anything, it was myself. And my nails. Look at my nails.
Okay,
Right
what
there.
happened?
I scratch myself. I do get pretty crazy myself. I put nothing on him. So
What
I
happened
know
to your
in
knee?
my law enforcement and my dictionary and stuff, you guys can't charge anything.
In your what? Law enforcement?
You know what I'm saying? My rights. Like I'm sitting here and telling you right now, like, I'm fine. He's fine. You have an address, you have my ID, I can give you my social security right now. I have no problem with that, sir.
Okay.
It's just, I don't want no problems. This is my man, we had an argument, that's it. So,
Okay, well,
But
I have a
and-
problem when
I know that because that's
people
your job,
have...
but it's also one
Okay,
if you ever have another problem.
okay, not... When someone batters another person in a domestic
Did anyone
violence...
see that, or did they just hear us arguing? Because I yelled. I yelled like a mother. I ain't lying, it's not even him half the time. It's me.
Okay.
I will completely say that. I'll go to jail right now for that.
Okay.
That's me. Let's go, baby. You're a f***ing bald ass, f***ing fat, wide ass, bro.
Hey,
You.
hey, respectfully, do not touch her like that. Real. I'm telling you, respectfully, do not touch her like that.
Stop.
Tries to kick me?
You.
Touch my girl like that, bro.
She just broke my glasses.
Bro, chill the out, for real. Am I getting arrested? No. Listen.
Well, you can kick me, can't you?
Bro, chill the out.
Move your foot in there. Hurry up.
She kicked me in the face.
Hey,
Oh, you're so much of
stop.
battle one.
Stop.
I hope she's gonna buy me some new glasses.
Hang on, let me go get my shot.
Let go of me.
Let go. Let go. Now. Let go.
Kill me.
Let go.
Kill me.
Stop.
Kill me.
Stop.
Kill me.
No. Stop. Where am I?
My Uncle Ryan
Over here.
Rodriguez was a god mother. See what the happened?
Stop.
You ain't compared to him.
Yeah, Jake's coming.
Yeah, call him. Call him. Call Ryan.
Hey, settle down.
Hey, call Ryan right now.
No, Ryan doesn't matter.
Now I'm gonna go into jail.
Okay.
For him. No, I'm getting off the floor. Go tell her.
Turn this way.
Go tell her.
Turn this way. Roll
Go
on your
tell
side.
her.
Roll on your side.
Go tell her.
Hey.
Go tell my mom I'm going to jail.
Okay, we will.
No, do it first. Stop.
Mom, she's going to jail.
Go tell her.
Okay, come on.
Alright, team with you, bro.
Sit down. Sit down.
Now no one's gonna know I'm going to jail, huh?
She's got a good horse kick. Which side, Jake? This side or the
Bro.
other side?
Either side. Have a seat. Get your Come on, sit up in there. You either gotta sit in there or you're gonna get dragged in. You coming?
No!
So sit up.
No, you boss. What?
Okay.
Your wife cheats on you 3 times a day, you dirty.
I'm not married.
No one wants to.
Hey, he's opening the door. Jake, he's opening the door. Bad, bro. It's hot as
Okay, I'll roll down the window a little bit.
Huh?
Do you have his info?
No, he's not coming back. He's lying.
So I can't even go to my mom's shop right now and let her know.
Oh ma'am, I apologize, but I can't make any other stops.
So what the I just sit here and say what?
No, we're going to the jail.
Yeah, so what the do I say? Hey, I'm in jail because I didn't have a ID. What the do you want me to say, bro? What do you want me to say? How much you want me to pay you? How much? What's worth it for you? What? What do you want?
Don't talk like that, you'll just get yourself in more trouble.
Obviously, it doesn't matter what trouble I'm in because I did nothing, and I'm in the of a back cop car, and I did nothing to you. Can you show me the proof where I did something to you?
It wasn't me. It was the other
Oh, I'm saying, why'd you arrest me then?
I didn't.
Why'd you arrest me?
No,
Why am I in the back of a cop car right now?
I'm just transporting you.
Okay, but why? Where's the proof and the legalization? Where? Where? Why are you arresting me? In New Mexico state. What did I do wrong?
As far as I know, you kicked one of the officers.
What did I do wrong? Where's the film and where's the video?
It's on their body camera.
Okay, so they got that ready or not?
Dispatch has been updated.
So why am I getting taken right now?
Because you're going to jail right now.
I'm going to jail, but y'all don't even have proof. Does that make any sense to y'all? And this is the that busted me out in the mouth, but y'all are taking his side. And he's from Pecos. I'm from Carlsbad. He's from Pecos, Albuquerque. Y'all gonna take his side? A man's side that can beat the out of me in 2.5 seconds, which he has. What do you think? Can somebody court cases. Y'all don't care though, right? As long as y'all got somebody, as long as y'all did something that day, y'all don't give a Yeah, put on your glasses. Shut the up to you, bro. You wanna act silent? You wanna act like you can't talk to me? You can talk to me like a normal person, but you choose not to. So I'm gonna not talk to you like a normal person. Okay? You wanna be a dumb? I'm gonna be a dumb. All you could do is talk to me, but you don't.
We're talking. What do you want to talk about?
My God. Why the am I the one getting arrested? What the But you have so many complaints on everybody else but me, right? Obviously, you're a new cop, aren't you?
New here, yep.
You ain't from here.
I am not.
Okay, then. Thank you. You ain't from here, then. There you go. I'll be out here in a second without your help. Bye. You got that? You got that weapon? Can you shoot me in the head? Yeah? Shut the up.
12510 traffic.
Your traffic, you stupid. You don't even know the y'all are saying half the time.
Alright, Mr. Rodriguez. Okay, we're gonna get you out of the wheelchair. Go ahead and stand up.
I'm crippled, bro.
I know.
I'm 21 years old. I'm crippled.
I know, I'm getting you out of the wheelchair. Stand up.
What am I in a wheelchair for?
Because it was the only chair they had. Stand up. Okay, if I take that spit hood off, are you gonna spit on me?
No, I'm not gonna spit on you.
Well, you were spitting.
Yeah, I was.
Okay. I'll help you out and let you use the bathroom, okay?
I'm gonna spit on you. I promise.
Promise?
Yes. I really do promise I ain't gonna spit on you. I'm sorry.
Bathroom's over here. Come over here.
Yes, sir. Sorry. You can't?
No,
Or you just don't want to?
we can't. You're in custody. I have to have you here. I have to take you to jail. Well, we have to get this done first.
We can get that done first.
We gotta
don't
clean.
do that.
They gotta clean your knee up. They gotta do the
You ain't gonna
X-ray.
touch my knee until my mama knows where the I'm at.
Okay. And if you want to tell them that, that's fine.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm Southwestern.
Okay.
My mama knows everything. I'm sorry.
Okay.
She gonna know it.
The female was charged with criminal damage to property, assault upon a peace officer, battery upon a peace officer, resisting arrest, and domestic battery. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.